Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into Baptist Health employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with and on the search URL, type in employee login Baptist Health. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to bunch of search results. From there, head over to the first link that says for employees or baptisthealth.net. That will take you to the employees portal. Now, in order to log into your account, at the upper right side of this interface, you will get an option as sign into my account. Click on that. Then you'll be taken to login page. As you can see on this interface at the right hand side, there is a login form. There, first of all, you have to enter your valid username. So type in your valid username on this text box under username, and once you're done with that, again under password, enter your correct password. If you want to save in your login credentials for the next time you log in, click on this button that says remember me. And if you are having trouble logging in your account in case you forgot your username or your password, there is a link provided here that will help you out to recover your password or your username. Now once you're done typing in your username and password, click on this login button and on the next page you will be logged into your account. And that's how you can simply log into your Baptist Health employee account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.